I have to be honest with you. Less than 2 years ago, I knew nothing about spirituality. I was just a normal guy going after marketing purposes as a job. I mean, not a job, but as an entrepreneur. And I started coming across books about the power of the mind, Dr. Joseph Murphy and stuff like that. And then it became what's his name? My bestie, Jim Rohn, and then you had Neville Goddard and stuff like that. And now, fast forward 2 years later, I'm a spiritual life coach. And along the way, I learned about channelers, people that have the ability to welcome inside their body entities, divinities, or source energy. And I was baffled when I heard that. Let's remove the part divinity, video editor. Cut that part where I say divinity. So now here I am, being a spiritual life coach, helping people during my one-on-one session, giving them the practices and the processes from the universe, and they are changing. Their life is improving real time. With that happening, I cannot deny the power that I welcome inside of me to help the people that I meet every day. And I want to be completely honest with you. I am a channeler now. What exactly am I channeling? I don't know. I have no idea. I can make some guess. Am I right? I don't know. But I know that now, when I say my gratitude before every call, I become way calmer. The way I speak is completely different. Don't get tricked. Tonight I'm talking calmly because my wife is sleeping and I don't want to make too much noise and go into my high energy and stuff like that. So, but in some videos, you will see that the way I speak is completely different. So I don't know what entity it is. I don't know if it's source, if it's a group of, I have no idea. But I know I feel a very, 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 very calm energy inside of me. It feels so peaceful, so peaceful, so peaceful. When I'm talking from that perspective, it is as if life is a peaceful thing, really peaceful. It's like there is no need to worry. It's like all is well all the time. It's like we are perfect all the time. It's like love is all there is. I'm being honest with you. So I never wanted this YouTube channel to be something where I just show up as a teacher who knows everything, because this is just the beginning, guys. Sometimes I still see myself as a beginner, mostly when I enter rooms where you have people that have been spiritual teachers for many, many years. I'm looking forward for all those moments where I will be with you in live calls, in physical events and stuff like that, because this is what I want to do with my life, and I am doing it already at 38 years old. I am beyond happy. I am beyond happy. And I decided that I am gonna have weekly calls with you guys. Those of you that are interested, those of you who feel called to listen to the wisdom from source, apply the practices and the processes to improve the quality of your life, I highly encourage you to join the Inner Light Club. We are having weekly calls on Mondays so that we can start the week the perfect ways, and man, just gather together and fully remember who we really are as human beings. So make sure to check the link in the description, join the Inner Light Club, and man, let's do it. Let's do it. I will see you there.